Hello, hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. How are you guys doing? It's bright and early. It's a brand new day in JA. Welcome to the channel, and if it's your first time, welcome to the fam bam, and be sure to subscribe right now and click the notification bell right now. That way you don't miss a video right now. Look, we are here. Welcome to the channel where we give you raw and realness, Jamaican and French goodness. If you don't know, my name is Melissa and I'm Jamaican, and this is my boy Tyler. That's so cool. Ooh, there you go. There you. Yeah.
You're the panigava. One day to the gully side.
You're the panigoli side?
Yeah.
You are so funny.
Mama.
Where we give you raw and real Jamaican and French goodness, because that's what we do around here. That's what her family is all about. Babe is in the house somewhere getting ready for work right now to head out. Tyler is getting ready to go to school. Sarah is still in bed taking her beauty rest, so I'm gonna go and pick her up right now after I finish my green juice, because if you're a real OG, you know Mel never starts her day without her green juice. And if it's your first time to the channel and you're wondering what's in my green juice, in here I have celery, apple, ginger, cucumber and lemon, and I have this every single morning without failing before I head out on the street to take my boy to school, or before I do anything any day. I have my green juice first. So this is breakfast number 1. I have 5 meals of the day. And if you're wondering, what girl? Yes, I'm into fitness. I have my workout channel, which is at Body After Baby. The link is down below in the description box, and you can go ahead.
Don't forget to work out.
Go ahead and subscribe and follow along, workout with me each and every day.
Every day? But in a long time I hear you say that you don't work out Sunday and Saturday.
Yes, I do work out Sunday and Saturday. I rest on those days, but enough batteries gonna die.
To die.
Right. Anyway, you guys, go and subscribe to my workout channel. Oh yeah, and I also have a food channel that's called Mel's Kitchen Jamaica. Go and subscribe to my food channel also, so your girls stay busy around here. Anyway, we have a long day ahead of us, another day in our lives where we take you and show you just about everything and anything that happened throughout the day. So today we have a lot on the mission. First thing first, let's drop the boy to school, knock out mission number 1, and then we'll take you along and show you guys whatever else that we're gonna do throughout the day, right?
Yes.
Right. Anyway, hopefully you guys have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and we'll catch you guys throughout the rest of today. Yes.
And don't forget to speak patois.
Don't forget to speak patois. And say wagwan.
And
big up on yourself.
Big up on yourself.
Big up on yourself.
Big up on yourself.
Let's go find the princess because she's awake. Oh, look who's at her bedside. Good morning, my beautiful girl. Oh, good morning. Did you have a good night? Oh, you look sad. That's a just wait, Mama. I want my bottle face. It's right here. How about that? Say good morning to the face. Say good morning.
Wagwan.
Oh, all right, come. You just want your bottle, Mama.
Why she's crying?
Because she just wake up and she wants her bottle. Mama.
She don't want the pot, but she wants the bottle. Mama, why there's an orange cushion? I've never seen orange cushion before. Mama, why there's an orange cushion?
Tell us stop, please.
Why can't it?
Hi guys, good morning. J'aime pas les histoires?
Non.
Pourquoi t'aimes pas les histoires? C'est ton ventre qui a fait ce bruit?
Tyler,
Maman t'appelle, maman.
put your back on.
Hi guys, good morning everybody. Allez, fais attention. It's a brand new day, it's Friday, it's the last day of work.
No, it's Thursday.
Today is Friday.
No, it's Thursday.
Where's your book? I need to sign your book.
Which book? Bye-bye.
Alright, you guys, I'm out. Time to the school run. And baby's heading out to work right away too. So
Yeah.
see you guys later. And he's coughing like Turn on. Workout was, I'm not gonna say it was good because I wasn't at my full potential, because after taking back Tyler from after dropping Tyler this morning, I just wasn't in the mood to work out. And it's okay to feel that way. It's okay to feel that way, but what's important is that you never lose sight of what's important. You push through and carry on with the mission still. So I pushed through and I managed to finish. I got about 50 minutes to an hour in, I think. But I just wasn't feeling it. But I still pushed through and I still finished. And that's what's important. So to say the least, I got my workout in, and that's all that matters. Right now, I am making breakfast. You see me twisting and turning. I'm making breakfast, and for breakfast today, I am making an egg. I'm making an egg omelette with some avocado, and I'm toasting a piece of cereal bread, my favorite bread. So that's what's for breakfast this morning, and I have a ton of stuff to do around this house. So I'll be multitasking as per usual. So yeah, that's what's going on. Hopefully you guys in Jamaica is having some nice hot patty this morning. Oh gosh. I think if I have one wish is to eat patty every day for the rest of my life. That's how much I love a hot patty. I think you guys know that by now. I love patty. Me miss mother's patty. Me miss tasty patty. You no matter where it come from, me just want a hot patty. The hot patty will make you go, yes. Them patty them I want right now. Sometime when you're home and you take things for granted, and people like me who's just wishing to have it. Don't take those patties for granted, y'all. Enjoy them, love them, eat them like it's your last day eating them, because when you don't have them to eat, you regret every moment, you're sad every second. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. Reminiscing on patty and making my breakfast. But that's alright. I'll get my patty fixed one of these days. Hopefully this corona can go away so we can go back to living our best lives. But you know, it is what it is. For everybody who has been affected by corona, send you guys my love and my strength and all that good stuff. With all that said, let me show you guys breakfast. So here is breakfast. I'm gonna eat this right now. I just put my girl down for a nap, so I need to eat and get some stuff done before she wakes up. Had a long busy day as usual. Baby's off to the supermarket while I'm on my way to go pick up Tyler from school with the daughter. Hi daughter. Hi daughter. So we're gonna pick up Tyler right now and then head back home. I did some cleaning today, did the bathroom, did the entire house as a matter of fact. So gonna go back home, make dinner, and give you guys the amazing supermarket haul, which you guys ever so love. And guess what? Tyler will be in it today, so you don't want to miss it. So Friday night, dinner for Tyler, going in the oven. His favorite mini mushroom pizza with ham and cheese. Look who is home and eating cheese puffs.
Me.
How was your day? Tell us, how was your day?
Wagwan. I've never seen them hello from the morning.
Yes, you did tell them hello this morning. Tell them how was your day? How was your day?
Good.
You see that head over there? Look at the head. You want cheese puff? Here. Thank you, Mama. She's so funny.
How are you? Hello, hello. How are you? Hello.
You know you're gonna start cough
How
soon,
are
baby.
you? Hello, hello. How are you?
Hello.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's the end of the day. Just come back from the supermarket. I went quick and fast.
There is a lot of
So
clouds outside.
It's Friday and it's already done. Yes, we're gonna have something else to do over the weekend. Let's show you what you got. That's gonna be for the end. I just want, this is surprise for Mama. So that's gonna be for the end. Let's see what we have here. Oh, I have a surprise for Tyler. What is that? This is hot dog bag. This is a surprise for you.
Crab.
This is crab. Oh, what is that?
Oxtail.
You like oxtail? Tripper.
Listen, let me tell you guys something. I think I am to stop going to supermarket and just send Babe alone. It's only when Babe go to the supermarket I get these nice things, but when I go I never get these nice things. Tripper, look how they're pretty. And I get 2 packs last week that I didn't cook. Oh God.
Oh, what is that, Tyler?
Food. I buy a baked bean last week, I
Yes.
think. Okay.
This is tree. Mama hair. Sarah hair soon. Look. Sarah broccoli. Sarah broccoli. Alright guys, what else do we have? Oh, Tyler went to toilet so many times in the week, like 10 times per day. So we got a lot of cheese here for Tyler Batty.
Not you. It's you.
It's for Tyler Batty.
Not you.
It's sweet for Tyler Batty.
No.
Bottom.
But I'm sorry. English is not my language, sorry. We have some orange for Sarah and Tyler if Tyler wants some orange.
Yes, I want some.
What else do we have? We have
Tyler,
apple
go up. Let me give you a
juice.
thing.
What is that, Tyler?
Strawberry and raspberry.
You know how they make it?
No.
They press the strawberry and the raspberry together like this until the juice come out. You know that?
No, they press them and then they mix it in a cup and then you see juice.
Oh yes, you're right.
And they mash it and
What is that?
so it is juice.
Madeleine? This is Madeleine. This is Madeleine. This is Mama's snitching it in the night. You know that?
What?
We have
Listen,
orange.
I tell you guys, I need to stop the supermarket. You know, look.
Oh!
Babe, my goodness.
I find them.
Nem! I love the nem!
You love them, so
Oh,
that's a
I love
surprise for you
them.
too. I find this for 2 or something, Stella.
Oh my God. I'm going to stop going to the supermarket. I
High five.
swear.
So there's 8 names. How many names for Papa and how many names for Tyler?
Me six.
Oh, you want 6 over the 8?
Yeah.
And
Is
one
it
for
Tyler
Papa?
1 6?
Okay, you need to do
And how much
calculation.
Mama get?
0.
Ah! Guys, what else do we have here?
Okay, so
This
Hold
is...
on, let's finish.
What is that? What is that, Tyler?
Mini pizza.
Mini pizza.
We need to never be out of mini pizza.
Like that.
Like
That's what you're
right. And what is it? Look how big is this pack?
It's a big package.
It's a big
How much
package
is it?
of-
How many?
$12.
What is your favorite?
Wow, and you have crepe here. You big.
No, I'm going to stop with supermarket and just send baby.
What else do we have? We have some
I'm
nice.
so done.
Some
Shrimp.
nice shrimp. We have
Happy biscuit.
happy biscuit for Tyler. Big pack of happy
So
biscuit.
you're not helping with the haul. You're just
If you know
standing
it's not
there.
this one,
What is
mine
that,
is
Tyler?
Mama's. Grape for Papani.
And you have no seeds.
What do you mean, Papa, and you and me what?
No, you can share with Sarah.
And Sarah can share with Mama.
You see the TV up on
We have peach. Peach is my favorite.
Is this guilty pleasure?
What is that, Tyler?
Happy biscuit.
Happy biscuit. We have sausage for hot dog.
Yes. Yeah.
No, put
We
it
have
back.
apple juice.
Papa,
We
I
love
want to
apple
tell you
juice.
something.
What you want to tell me?
Look, a ninja.
This is to do judo, right?
Yes.
Right. We have
Almond milk.
almond milk. There were 2. One with sugar, one without sugar. I didn't take the without sugar.
Why not?
I
It
didn't know
didn't
which one
look.
to take. No, I saw it, but
No, I
didn't know
always
which
take the one without sugar.
Oh, I didn't know that. And we have here 3 packs of chicken.
So you see, guys, we do take small amount of things at the supermarket.
When I go, it's not much. Oh, and I find this too. A little cake for you. 2 little cake.
You find cheesecake in the supermarket or you go somewhere else?
No, at the supermarket, look, it's written Leclerc. Cheesecake for Leclerc at 150.
Listen, I'm going to stop going supermarket. How did you find it? I've never seen cheesecake at the supermarket.
Papa, can I taste
So he bring
lekker.
cheesecake, he bring oxtail, he bring nem, he bring all the good stuff. And when I go down find all this good stuff.
She blind, that's why. She need glasses.
I'm gonna stop with
big
supermarket.
glasses.
This is the last of
Glasses like
supermarket.
this.
I'm done. Anyway, you guys, you see you get to the supermarket out today?
Glasses.
just letter one?
Later Wagwan, his only Jamaican patois line.
How are you say?
You guys, the
How are you
sunset
say, my youth?
outside is so beautiful. I'm gonna show you guys the sunset right now. Anyway, guys, that's the end of the Sumari haul. Well done, husband. You did good. You guys enjoy the view that I'm seeing.
It's gone.
No, it's not gone as yet.
Wow.
You see? Ta-da! That's what. Look at that.
Let me see. Wow. Sarah, no.
This is the Friday night fix for Babe and I. It's dinner time. And we're going light tonight. So tortillas or tacos. And dinner is ready. Let me show you guys something. Him and Sarah fighting for the yogurt. Sarah killing him. Baby. She fed up of your foolery. She coming back to me. You think you can get rid of her so easy? You make a sad mistake. Baby, don't let you fall. Listen, you guys. Sarah, she's a foodie. She don't play when it comes to food.
Look at her big stomach. She has a stomach. Sarah, the only way, Sarah, what you have to do is don't do like us. I mean, don't eat at between 6 and 8. Don't make Kyle eat, then Sarah, then us. Everybody have to eat together.
That's the only way you eat in peace. Come, yeah. Come, ah? Yeah. Yeah. Sarah, come. Yeah, yogurt. Sarah, what you doing? Lord have mercy, yogurt and come. Here. You're full now, you don't want any more. You don't hear